Hey, so I have Renata here with me where she has done well to get the COA system up and running and running. And one day, just bang, you just starting to get leads. So freaking incredible. The system's live, getting traction. Renata, tell me about that. Tell me more about that.
Yes. So, well, it took us a little bit of time to go live with the campaign full stop, because we were just so busy with other business, but we plowed through. We got the campaign live, and I'm talking about it's me and my teammate in this adventure. And so we had it running for about a week, just testing it, putting a low test budget towards it, and it was sort of, we weren't getting much reach, and like 4 days into it, was like I shared with the COA team, like, okay, this is what's happening. So I gave them the recording of all the results, the stats, and the ad creative and the landing page, and I got some really good advice to make some changes,
Mhm.
which I made immediately. And as soon as I made those changes and I went live, it was within a day the leads started coming in. We had 3 leads, so that was really exciting. And so now we're gonna move from there and watch what this
Yeah,
campaign is going to be doing over the next week. Yeah,
fantastic,
so
fantastic.
very excited about
And
that.
yeah, like from going from a space of like wanted to the next leads coming in, like where were you before? Where were you before COA then?
Oh, we would get clients very organically, and I would say the the offering that we're presenting here, our product, our service, is sort of our high end. And we usually, as a business, we would go the other way around, where we people come in and they discover what we do, and it's more like a soft sell in a way, where they go on to the high priced package.
Mm,
But with you guys, with your team, we decided to reverse that. So it's very it's very new. It's very exciting for us to be doing business this way, and so we really feel like we can scale up now, because we only have a small number of practitioners in what we do here in the US. So we feel that we have a system, a model where we can actually really scale with the small number of people that we have. So that to us, that's very, very
yeah,
amazing. So
yeah.
yeah,
Great,
yeah.
great. And for you then, what's been the most enjoyable aspect of working within COA? Some people say that it's the, step-by-step program to launch the system with, easy to follow along modules. Maybe it's support where we're here with you every single step of the way, week to week, whether answering your questions, sorry, in the group or in the live consultation
Mm.
clinics, or maybe it's the actual assets themselves. So the funnels, the contracts, email templates, closer process. Like what have you enjoyed the most? What's been the best part about working within
Oh,
COA?
I I think to start with, you start watching the videos. First of all, the team, all the interaction with all the team members, this has been fantastic. And we really feel that you care, that you check in with us, you make sure we're aware of everything that's available, and that we and you do check in with us also to make sure that we do our homework, which is fantastic, and it's what's needed. But I think, beside that, I think going through the videos, first of with all the inspiration, the motivation, the explanation, and the empowerment that you receive through the videos is very, very, very important, I think, to start this.
Mm,
Um, and then as you perceive that, you know what you're offering, and you know why you're doing what you're doing, and what the philosophy, the thinking is behind it. Then you go to actually start using the tools that you're presenting. So taking us step by step through it, through the videos, and I've watched some of them many times. It has been so helpful put this whole system in place, because it is complex for the fact that there are so many small parts that all need to connect, that all need to move for the whole funnel to work smoothly. So, which can be a little bit daunting when you don't do this on a daily basis. But with the videos and your help and your rapid response actually in the Facebook group, which is very much appreciated, it really it's really totally possible, and I think for everyone to do this and to do this well. So
Yes.
and yeah, then the Facebook group is fantastic because you share in the excitement of other. You get the help that you need, but you can share in the excitement and the wins of the team members. So it's very enjoyable. Yeah,
Yes.
I appreciate that. Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah. And so for yourself then, what would you say to someone who was thinking about joining COA?
Thinking about doing it, I think definitely go for it. If you are a consultant in whatever field is your expertise, I really feel this is a powerful way to grow your business, really, and do what you want to do. And I think what is very true is what was said at the beginning, and the choice I made was like, you don't have to be on social media everywhere all day, which is such a tiring, frustrating thing to do, and time consuming way to run your business. I totally feel like an effective marketing funnel that is scalable is the way to go. So I encourage everyone to definitely, if they have a business that meets this model, go for it. Absolutely.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so look,
Yeah.
Renate, like system up and running. Okay. Now
Yes.
we just need to leverage it, keep on pumping it through. And look, I appreciate you for being here, sharing with me here today, and lots of many like good stuff, more results to come for sure. I'm excited for you. I'm excited. Okay, so
Thank you.
thank you
Yeah.
again.
Me too. This is only the beginning, so we're really very excited about the
This is
future.
only the beginning.
Thank you.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Thank you.